Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to review the Corsair AF120 Air Series 120mm LED low noise cooling fan. It's in red color, single pack. I recently purchased this product from Amazon.in and it cost me only rupees 500, and I have to say I'm really impressed with it. First, let's talk about the packaging. The fan comes in a wall packet box with a neat design. It includes one fan and a set of screws. The installation process was pretty simple and easy, and I have no issues getting it set up in my system. Now let's talk about the fan performance. While some people have reported in YouTube when I do a research that it's a little bit a noisy fan, but I personally haven't any issues with the noise. The airflow is decent enough and I have no heating issue at all. The fan runs at a speed of 1400 RPM, and which is really great for keeping your system cool. I also really love the LED lighting on this fan. While the red LED are not the brightest one, but they still look really cool and add a burst of color to my system, and which look really impressive. Overall, I think the Corsair AF120 Air Series 120mm LED low noise cooling fan is a really awesome product, and the fact I got it for only just rupees 500 is just icing on the cake. If you are interested in purchasing this fan, then I'll drop a link in the description below, and if you decide to buy it, then please use my link to support the channel. And one small thing I should mention is that I did have some trouble figuring out which direction the fan blows in, so it will be a great if the Corsair could include the information in the manual or on a separate piece of paper. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this review, and if you have any questions or comment, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more review and tech related content. Peace.